Welcome to the Executive Mom Show. Going somewhere? Do you need to pack? As a very busy working mom, going on vacation entails a lot, and you need a plan. So I am going to share with you the strategy I use to pack for my family vacation so I can really actually enjoy my vacation. So this part one is all about the strategy, and then part two is going to be actually putting the stuff in the suitcase. So step one is to check the weather of where you are going. You need to be very specific. We are going to Hawaii. Don't just look up Hawaii. You need to actually look up Maui and be very specific, because I made the mistake when I first looked it up. It was 75 degrees, and then I realized I was looking at the whole island. Then when I went to our specific destination in Maui, it's 85. That's a big difference, right? I would probably pack a lot less pants. So know the weather, take the time to do that. Number two, I'm going to set some expectations for y'all. If you have little kids, you need to understand there are family trips and there are vacations. If you are taking your children with you, you are going on a family trip, which is actually quite a bit of work. If you are going with just your friends or your partner, you're going on a vacation. I am going on a family trip. I'm going to enjoy myself to the max because I am planning and setting myself up for the expectation of a family trip. So set your expectations correctly. This is not going to be relaxing. This is going to be very busy and very entertaining. However, this is not my vacation. My vacation will be at another time with my husband with no children. Love them dearly, but they are a lot of work. So set your expectations for what kind of a trip you are going on, and I think you'll be a lot happier after and during your trip. Number three, these are things that I have learned along the way. You need a kitchen. Stay in a place that has a kitchen and ideally laundry. If you have, again, I would say kids under 10, I don't know. Mine aren't 10 yet and I still need these things. So we'll see. A kitchen is going to be very, very handy and helpful for you. And I have some tips about laundry. You can pack less if you're able to do laundry. Kids just completely wreck their outfits. And if I had to pack a new outfit for, 3 a day, because they've got their morning outfit. If we go out to dinner, they're going to have a new outfit and they have to sleep in pajamas. That's 3 outfits a day. If you're staying for a week, as I am, that's a lot. That's a lot of packing. I don't want to pack that much. So plan to do laundry, which can really, really help. So before you plan your vacation, get yourself a kitchen and access to laundry. Tip number 4. This is about you, moms. This is for you. You are going to really go in detail about what you're going to wear every single day, because this will make you so much happier and you will end up packing less and you will look fabulous. So I literally get out my pen and paper. I have it right here and I will write down everything. Friday, travel day. And then I have AM, PM, because I'm going to wear something different on the plane. And then if we go out to dinner in the PM. Saturday, pool day, AM, PM, what am I wearing? Sunday, snorkel day, AM, PM, what am I wearing? And so on through the whole entire vacation. This will really help you make sure you have everything you need and not more. And it's helpful to know exactly what you're wearing on that specific day so you can just enjoy your vacation. You're busy. You're going to have to be getting ready. Your kids, sometimes your husband. My husband's very competent because I set him up that way. He cannot depend on me for everything. But on a vacation, you want to look nice as well, but it's very difficult when you're trying to get your kids ready as well, and then you're trying to race out to get some snorkel boat at 8 a.m. I don't know who planned it at 8 a.m., but that's what we're doing. So have yourself together so you are not a problem, and then you can feel good and you can focus and give attention to your children who need your help getting ready. This will make it fun, hopefully more fun. Okay, the other thing that you definitely need for a family is you need these packing little, I don't even know what they're called. So Alexa gets pink. Luke has this beige color. My husband gets green, and I get whatever other purple. Because we try to pack as few suitcases as possible. Again, this is for a big family trip. If you're going by yourself, I'll do a different video for just work travel or a fun travel with just you and maybe your partner, or just you by yourself. But for the family vacation, I recommend packing as few suitcases as possible. So we go with 2 very big ones, and it's so handy when you get there. You literally just pull this out, and this is Luke's little suitcase, my son. So he gets his little thing, and I'll put it somewhere for him and Alexa, and it just makes the whole entire process much easier. So with the suitcase, this is tip number 6. Pack, again, as few suitcases as possible. We check them. We check bags, whatever, pay the extra money. You want to have a nice time at the airport. You don't want to be lugging around all kinds of stuff and just not, it's just too much. So don't go cheap on your suitcase. I have made that mistake. I have bought, I don't want to bash any brands. I bought a less expensive suitcase that lasted a few years, and then the zipper broke. It's like, okay. I've done that too many times. Don't go cheap on your suitcase. This is an area where you need to purchase the very best because it will save you money in the long run. Tumi is my favorite brand. The zipper will never break. If it breaks, they'll fix it for you for free. You can't ruin this suitcase. I've had kids, zip themselves in here, which is, I'm sure, very not safe. But these suitcases will not break, and they will last you forever. You just need to buy one, and it will last you forever. So in the long run, you are going to save money versus buying a less expensive suitcase that you have to continuously repurchase. So be smart, go big. Again, highly recommend to me. If you're getting any value out of this video so far, consider subscribing. YouTube really likes that. So number 8, I have a PDF checklist that I really enjoy using. Let me see if I can share it with you. But you don't need to create your own checklist here. This is one that's already for you. I'll link it down below. But it shows you, just don't forget. Don't forget all of these things on your checklist. Clothes. And again, you're packing for yourself and your family. Toiletries. You can kind of check this list off. I find this highly helpful. You don't have to make your own, and you won't forget, which is very fantastic. Now, my last tip is don't delegate the packing. You need to pack everyone's stuff yourself. Now, if you have a nanny who can help you and maybe get these happening, that would be fine. Just give her the checklist, make sure she doesn't miss anything. But this can help. You can have someone help you with this, but you need to be the person who puts the items in the suitcase, because you need to know exactly where it is. And everyone always asks mommy, where's the sunscreen? Where's the bathing suit? Where are my shoes? Where's my hair bow? Oh, don't forget the kids' blankets. That's not on the checklist. My kids are really obsessed with their blankets, and if we forget the blanket, it's a big problem. So don't forget the kids' blankets. Add that on some sort of a checklist. But really, you are the controller of the packing. So just own it and be responsible for it. And I don't pack for my husband. I think some women might, or pack for their partner. He needs to pack for himself, and if he can't find his underwear, that's his problem. However, I really do own it for the children, so I know where all the things are, and I'm the one who wants it. I want them to be wearing sunscreen, so I want to know exactly where the sunscreen is. So part 2 is going to go more into specifics about actually what goes in your bag and details like that. So keep on watching if this is helpful.